Have you noticed it too? Life after COVID feels like it's on fast forward. Weeks feel like days. Years disappear in seconds. But the question is, why? Point number one, the illusion of time. During the pandemic, the world froze. We stayed home. Every day felt the same. Time slowed down because our brains had nothing new to process. No new places, no new faces, no new experiences. Just the same walls, the same screens, the same routines. But the moment the world opened up again, life hit the accelerator. Now, our schedules are packed, distractions are endless, and every day feels like it's slipping through our fingers. Point number two, why it feels 10 times faster. Here's the truth. Time doesn't move faster. We just waste more of it without realizing. Scrolling endlessly, chasing temporary dopamine hits, letting Netflix autoplay the next episode, living in a digital blur where days merge into each other. And while we do this, our dreams are waiting, our goals are fading, our life clock keeps ticking. Point number three, how to slow time and take control. If you want to stop feeling like life is rushing past you, you must take control. 1. Be present. Put the phone down. Live the moment. 2. Create new experiences. Time slows when you step into new environments. Travel, learn, meet new people. 3. Set daily priorities. Don't let the day decide for you. Decide for the day. 4. Use time as your weapon. Remember, every hour wasted is an hour stolen from your future self. COVID taught us that time is fragile. We don't get it back. We don't get a replay. Life isn't waiting for us. It's moving with or without us. So stop watching time slip away. Stop living on autopilot. Take control. Move with discipline. Because one day, you'll look back and realize it wasn't that time moved too fast. It was you who didn't slow down to live it. This is your wake-up call. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today, right now, take your time back. If you want more dark, powerful, life-changing videos like this, then this channel is made for you. Subscribe now.